Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt. We are installing a set of Harley-Davidson's Tomahawk wheels and a set of Continental Conti Tour tires with Arlen Ness rotors on the Rockford Fosgate Street Glide. Check it out. With the Harley-Davidson wheels, Continental tires, and Arlen Ness brakes, this is a true performance package. We had the wheels custom painted a chrome red to add some flash. We will also be using the stock belt and a cush drive on this for comfort reasons only. As you can see, the tire, wheel, and brake package not only look good, they'll perform good as well. We already know that this bike is going to sound good because it's a Rockford Fosgate bike, and it's going to look good because it's a Harley-Davidson, but it's going to perform good because we have Legends shocks front and rear. We are using the AXEOs up front and the REVOs in the back, and this bike is going to handle better than ever. Stay tuned.